busy day today. Just finished today. I am absolutely knackered. That's why I kind of treated myself to a taxi ride. Got Shiv with me as well, helping me out with the filming and recording. And I'm so happy that I managed to get a day off work today, which is fantastic. I worked on Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6, which is the one I'm using right now to record the newsletter. And let me know what you think as well, because I'm really impressed with video and photos on it, like I was with Mark 5, but they've done something different on this model, which I don't know. I'm kind of at the moment still on the balance whether I like it or not. You'll find out more on the actual review. So I compared this phone with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the S24 Ultra. Kind of unsurprisingly how it did with the battery. The battery on this is really good. It's still like a 40%, and I've recorded almost like 4 or 5 hours. Obviously short clips, but using the camera, using the screen a lot. You know how these things go. Sometimes, the S24 Ultra at the moment, mine one anyway. My one is it would be dead if I was doing the same thing. In fact, it's at 30% right now, and it's not even 6 p.m. now. Apple did this whole Apple Intelligence thing, and they're calling that AI, which I thought was very clever, but I don't know, I don't fall for that stuff. if you know the channel, you know that I'm always a little bit skeptical about AI and Apple. I use it every day, and I talk about it in this next video, but I decided not to react to WWDC. So if you didn't see a video from me about WWDC, there's a reason for that. It's basically it didn't rock my boat. It's okay. Siri is a little bit more intelligent now, but it's using ChatGPT, and Apple is saying that that's secure, right? Okay, so you're sending my data out to the cloud, and at the same time, anyway, it's all on their servers and whatnot, right? But there are some good stuff in general about AI that I want to share. I think I'm more positive than negative on this stuff. But it should be a good. I don't think it will be a video that blows up, but it'll be a good video on me just sharing my opinions on this thing. So I hope you enjoyed that when I do launch it. And I think that's gonna be it for this newsletter. There's quite a lot of content in the can. I've got a Herman Miller gaming chair in the works that just waiting for sign off on thumbnails and things like that, which is weird, but sometimes sponsored. Well, they're not sponsored video, but they commission the video and they want to kind of validate it or have a final say on the thumbnail, which is fair enough. But it's just taking a bit longer. So this weekend I didn't upload the video because of that. It's just a bit of behind the scenes of stuff that that happens sometimes. And I was banking on that video being ready. Well, the video was it's been ready for 2 weeks. I'm also working on a long-term review of the iPhone. As I mentioned in my previous videos, it's a bit funny now because with all the AI updates, I'm now thinking, should I keep the iPhone? But I don't know, I've decided the iPhone 15 Pro Max is going to my wife. I'm just going to do a final review, which is the one I partially recorded today in London. In other words, these updates, even though I'd have to install the beta version of the iOS 18, I don't think it'll be enough for me to stay with the iPhone. But we'll see. In September, things might change. Things might evolve, even with Apple Intelligence. But what's annoying me right now is the S24 Ultra, which I absolutely loved, out of the box, is now giving me enough of a headache from a battery perspective that I'm like this close now to just like putting it to rest for a bit. It's like, you know what, maybe the S25 Ultra will be better, and I'll stick with the Fold for now, which is still good, and maybe the Sony Xperia, that maybe becomes my main phone, or I'll go back to the iPhone, who knows. But I'm hoping that Samsung releases an update that fixes that battery issue. If you have an S24 Ultra, let me know as well if you are experiencing those battery problems. But mine are like 4 or 5 hours SOT, which is not good, right? When you pay over $1,000 for a phone, you want it to last at least 7 or 8 hours from a screen on time perspective. Thank you for following this newsletter, and I'll see you around on the channel.